For more than 30 years, the LUMEN multi-tool has been the go-to solution for a lot of different problems in so many different places.
On the trail, between here and over there.
In a bass boat on Lake Minnetonka.
Here in the kitchen, right under there.
And starting today, that includes some of the places we haven't been able to go.
Gate 72, row 12, seat A.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
Do you love biking? Have you ever run into the situation of needing to fix or adjust your bike on the road, but since the tools were too bulky, you do not have them with you? Introducing our award-winning next-generation product, WOKit 2.0, which replaces 28 tools and weighs only 130 grams. Now you can have your mind at ease while you're out there riding.
With only a couple moves, you already have a fully functioning tool that can fix any problem on your bike.
Hello, my name is Brian Borchers and I own Russian River Cycle Service. I've been in the bicycle industry for a good 20 years. Never afraid of buying a specialty tool when I need it for the job. This tool has everything that you could possibly need. I would probably use this primarily in my shop, not just out on the trail. The idea of it is to have everything in your pocket when you're out on the road. It has pretty much every tool you could imagine that you would need. So you got flat blade, Phillips blade, Torx, Allens, sockets. It has a bottle cap opener, 1/4-inch drive ratchet driver, starts at 2mm Allen and goes up to 6mm. Has a Phillips, a flat blade, and a chain tool.
that every time someone is prepared with the right survival tool at the right time, another star is created in the sky. We're Stat Gear, and we're here to help light the way. Introducing the X Grip and the Pocket Lumen. Let's start with the Pocket Lumen, which comes in at only 45 millimeters long and weighs less than half an ounce. Pocket Lumen packs a mean punch at a super bright 30 lumens and is weatherproof with a water-resistant rating of 3 ATM. It can also take quite a beating. Next, we've got our new X-Grip Titanium Tweezers with its matching cap that protects the tip and has an integrated keyring loop. If you're looking for hardcore tweezers that you can use and abuse over and over again, and that's backed by a lifetime guarantee, then the X-Grip is for you. These are the strongest, sharpest tweezers you will ever own. Designed with a perfectly aligned slanted tip for maximum precision and gripping power. So let us help you get out there with the right gear.